Next one, equation of circle. Equation of circle. Center of a circle C, alpha comma beta. So point P, x comma y. CP radius R. So PZ equals R. So PZ, distance between P and C, square root of x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to R. Square on both sides. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to R square. So center is alpha comma beta. Radius is R. Radius of circle is R. Find the center and the radius of following circles. What's the formula? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to R square. Center alpha comma beta, radius is R. This one is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus 3 whole square equal to 4 square. So x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square equal to R square. Now center is minus, so center is minus 5, minus of minus plus 5. Center is 5 comma minus 3, radius is 4. Radius is 4. Second one, x plus 8 whole square plus y square equal to 15. This one is x minus of minus 8 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to root 15 whole square. So x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square and r square. So center is alpha comma beta. Here center is so minus 8 comma 0 center. Next radius r equal to square root of 15. Here required x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square. Here required x minus alpha, but here 3x minus alpha there. So bring outside 3. So 3 becomes 3 square 9. 9 times of x minus 4 by 3 whole square plus 9 times of y minus 5 whole square equal to 27. So left hand side, right hand side divided by 9. So x minus 4 by 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 27 by 9. 9 3 is 27. This one is x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square equal to root 3 whole square. So center is 4 by 3 comma 5 and radius is root 3. Now we required x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. But here 4x plus 5 there, so bring outside 4. So 4 square 16. 16 times of x plus 5 whole square plus 4 times of y minus 7 whole square equal to 16. It is not a cycle. It is not a circle. ఎందుకంటే కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ 1 ఉండాలండి, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ y మైనస్ బీటా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 1 ఉండాలి. సో 16 తో మనం క్యాన్సిల్, 4th క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, 16 తో క్యాన్సిల్ కావట్లేదు. సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ సర్కిల్. Next one, cycle having center on x-axis. circle having center on x-axis, circle having center on x-axis. So this one is alpha comma on x-axis, y coordinate is 0, alpha comma 0, alpha comma 0. Radius B R, center and point P. Now center available, radius available. We can find cycle, equation of cycle. What is the equation of cycle? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, y square equal to radius square, r square. Circle having center on y-axis, circle having center on y-axis. This one x-axis, y-axis. So on x-axis, on y-axis, x coordinate is 0, 0 comma beta. This one radius r. So x minus 0, center 0 comma beta, radius r. We can find equation of circle. X minus alpha whole square, x minus 0 whole square, x square plus y minus beta whole square equal to radius square, r square. Next one, circle touches x-axis. Circle touching x-axis. X-axis or y-axis. So this one is the radius. So y coordinate is r, x coordinate, this point is alpha comma 0. So point on x-axis. So x coordinate is alpha, y coordinate is 0. Point. So this point is alpha comma gamma. Alpha comma r. Center. So radius is the same, minus r. This one is r, radius r. So this point is alpha comma minus r. Alpha comma minus r. So equation of cycle. Equation of cycle. Center available, radius available. Equation of cycle. So x minus alpha whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square. Another one is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus of minus plus r whole square equal to r square. These are equation of cycle touches x-axis at alpha comma 0. Circle touching y-axis. So this point is 0 comma beta. On y-axis, y coordinate is 0, 0 comma beta, center. So this one is the radius r. So x coordinate is r, y coordinate is beta. This one is radius r. Center is r comma, minus r comma beta. Minus r comma beta. So what is the equation? So first one is x minus r, gamma center r and beta, radius is r, x minus r whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals r square. Next one is x minus of minus plus r whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals r square. These two are equations of the circle touches x-axis at point 0 comma beta. I hope you are understanding. Next one, circle touches both the coordinate axes with radius r. So cycle touches both the coordinate axes. So cycle touches both the coordinate axes. Your center is r comma r. Your center is minus r comma r. Center is r comma minus r. Sorry, minus r minus r. The center is r comma minus r. With radius is r. Cycle touches both the coordinate axes with the radius is r. With radius is r. There will be 4 such cycles. Cycle 1. So x plus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equals to r square. Cycle 2, this one S1 cycle, S2, S3 and S4. So S2 cycle, x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equals to r square. S3, x minus r whole square plus y minus of minus plus r whole square equals to r square. Next cycle 4, x minus of minus x plus r whole square plus y plus r whole square equals to r square. So here 4 cycles are x plus r minus r whole square plus y plus r minus r whole square equals to r square. So those are 4 cycles. 4 cycles. Next one, cycle touching y-axis at origin. Circle touching y-axis at origin. So 0, 0 origin, center is r, 0. Center is on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So radius is r. Now equation of circle touching y-axis at origin. So alpha beta, center alpha beta, your radius is r. X minus r whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So y square equal to r square. Next one, circle touching x-axis at origin. Circle touching x-axis at origin. X-axis, this one is y-axis. Zero comma zero origin. Center is on y-axis, x coordinate is 0, 0 comma r. Radius is r. So center 0 comma r, radius r. So center available, radius available. You can find equation of circle. What is the equation of circle? X minus alpha whole square, x square, plus y minus beta whole square, r square equal to r square. Next one, equation of circle passing through origin. Equation of circle passing through origin. X-axis, y-axis. Point P, alpha comma beta. Point P, alpha comma beta. Drawn perpendicularly. This length is this one is parallel to y-axis, so beta. This one is alpha. Radius r. It is a right angle triangle. Here r square equal to hypotenuse square equal to alpha square plus beta square. Center alpha beta, radius is r. What is the equation of circle passing through origin? 0 comma 0. So x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. Here r is alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. Find the equation of circle passing through origin. Find the equation of circle passing through origin. Center 4 comma 5. Center 4 comma 5. Center is 4 comma 5. This perpendicular. This length is 5. This one is 4. R. Here r square equal to 4 square plus 5 square. 4 square 16 plus 5 square 25. R equal to square root of 41. So r square equal to 41. R equal to square root. Radius is square root of 41. Question is the equation of circle. Center available, radius available. So x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to r square. R square is 41. So this one is the equation of circle passing through origin. If center of circle is origin Then if center of cycle is origin, origin 0 0, radius r, this is the center of cycle origin. On x-axis y coordinate is 0, r comma 0. On y-axis x coordinate is 0, 0 comma r. This one is 0 comma minus r. This one is minus r comma 0. So center available, radius available. We can find the equation of circle. What is the equation of circle? X minus alpha whole square. Here alpha comma beta, alpha 0, beta 0. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. So x square plus y square equal to r square. It is a standard formula. This one is a standard equation of cycle. It is a standard equation of cycle. Next one is general equation. General equation of circle. Center alpha comma beta and radius is r. For general equation, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. X square plus alpha square minus 2x alpha plus y square plus beta square minus 2y beta equal to r square. Now x square plus y square minus 2x alpha minus 2 minus 2y beta plus alpha square plus beta square minus gamma square equal to 0. Now let g equal to minus alpha, g equal to minus alpha, or alpha equal to minus z, alpha equal to minus z. So beta equal to minus f and c equal to constant alpha square plus beta square minus r square. Now equation becomes x square plus y square. Here minus alpha equal to g, so plus 2gx. So minus beta equal to f plus 2f by entire constant is c plus c equal to 0. This one is a general equation of circle. This is the general equation of circle. This one is standard equation of circle. This one general equation of circle. Here center minus z comma minus f. Now radius constant c equal to alpha square plus beta square minus r square. So r square equal to alpha square plus beta square minus c. R square will take left hand side, c will take right hand side. So radius r equal to square root of alpha square plus beta square minus c. This is the radius of circle. This one is the center. I hope this is clear. Next one. Find equation of circle touches x-axis with center 3, 2. X-axis, y-axis. Find the equation of cycle touches x-axis. center 3 comma 2. So radius is 2, y coordinate. Center 3 comma 2, radius is y coordinate 2, r equal to 2. So center available alpha, beta and radius r. We can find equation of circle. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square, 2 square 4. Find the equation of circle touches both axes. R equal radius is 3, first quadrant. X axis, y axis. Find the equation of cycle touches both the axes in the first quadrant. So radius 3, this one radius 3, it is also radius. So point center 3 comma 3. So radius is 3, it means x coordinate 3, y coordinate 3. Center of the cycle 3 comma 3. So now equation of the cycle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square, r is 3, 3 square 9. Passing through origin, center lies on y-axis at 0 comma 3. Passing through origin, center lies on y-axis. So passes through origin, center lies on y-axis at point 0 comma 3. On y-axis x coordinate is 0. So 0 comma 3. This one is center. Here radius is 3, r equal to 3. Here radius is y coordinate is 3, r equal to 3. So what is the equation? X minus 0 whole square, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. X minus 0 whole square, x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square, r is 3, 3 square 9. Find the equation of circle, center is concentric with circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0, passing through minus 2 comma 7. So concentric means same center. Circles having with same center, So general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this case center is minus z comma minus f. Center is minus z comma minus f. So compare these two. 2z equal to minus 8, g equal to minus 4. So 2f equal to 6, f equal to 3. So center is a minus z minus f. Minus f minus plus 4. Minus f is minus 3. Center is 4 comma 3. Center of the circle 4 comma 3. With the same center end. So this line, the cycle passes through minus 2 comma minus 7. What is the center of the circle? ఈ సైకిల్ సెంటర్ ఏమొస్తుందో సేమ్ సెంటర్ కదా, కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సైకిల్స్ సేమ్ సెంటర్. సో సెంటర్ ఈజ్ 4 comma minus 3. This one is the radius r. This is the point P. PC is the radius. So what is the length of PC? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 6 square 36 plus y2 minus y1 4 square 16. So square root of 4 minus 6, 6 square 36 minus 3 minus 4 square 16. So square root of 52. So center available, radius available. You can find the equation of the circle. What is the equation of the circle? X minus 4 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 3 whole square equal to r square 52. This is the equation of circle. Next one. Find the center and the radius of following circles. Center minus z comma minus f. So 2zx, 2z equal to 8, z equal to 4, so minus 4. Now 2f equal to 4, 2f equal to minus 2. So center is minus 4 comma minus 2. Next one, radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So square root of g square 16, f square 4 minus c minus 4. Square root of 16 is 4. So this one is coefficient of x square 4, coefficient of y square is 4. General equation x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Can we observe coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is 1. So divided by 4. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Now 2 is equal to minus 4. So minus z equal to, so center minus z comma minus f. 2 is equal to minus 4, z equal to minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. 2f equal to 2f equal to 1, so minus 1. Center 2 comma minus 1. Now radius is square root of g square 4 plus f square is 1 minus c, minus of minus plus 2. Sorry, this one is minus c, c is 4, minus of minus plus 4. This one is square root of 24. Here square root of 5 plus 2, 7. Radius. X square plus y square minus 16y equal to 0. 2gx, g equal to 0. Center minus z comma minus f. So g is 0. So 2f equal to minus 16, f equal to minus 8, minus of minus plus 8. 0 comma 8 center. Radius is square root of 0 square plus say 8 square 64. Constant is 0. C equal to 0. So answer is 8. So radius is 8, center is 0 comma 8. The general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now x square plus 2zx, to make perfect square, adding plus z square. So left hand side adding plus z square, right side adding plus z square. Next y square plus 2fy. So to make perfect square required plus f square. Left hand side adding plus f square, right side adding plus f square. C will take right hand side, so minus c. This one is x plus z whole square. X plus z whole square. This one y plus f whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c. This is, let us say, equation 1. Your center is minus z comma minus f. Now radius is g square, square root of g square plus square root of g square plus f square minus c. This one is radius. Now important points. First note 1. G square plus f square minus c greater than 0. G square plus f square minus c greater than 0. How many points? Infinite points. Infinite points will satisfy the circle. Infinite points will satisfy equation 1, cycle 1. Note 2. G square plus f square minus c equal to 0. So equation 1 becomes x plus z whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to, this one is 0. G square plus f square minus c equal to 0. So degree of this one is 2, degree of this one is 2. Degree is even power. Here power is even power. Even power means this one must be 0. Each term must be 0. 0 plus 0, 0, because it never be negative. Power even unte negative value raadu kada. Negative value raanappudu sum of the two positive values will never be 0. So x plus z whole square, it is always positive or greater than equal 0. This one also greater than equal 0. It never be negative. So em cheyali మనం నెగటివ్ టర్మ్ లేనప్పుడు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది టూ పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్స్ నెవర్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఏమవ్వాలి, దిస్ టర్మ్ షుడ్ బి 0, y plus f should be 0. So x plus z equal to 0, x equal to minus z, y plus f equal to 0, y equal to minus f. X is minus z, y equals minus f. So this cycle satisfies only minus z comma minus f. Okay, I hope you are understanding. This cycle is called, in this case, this cycle is called real circle. Real circle. In this case, this circle is called point cycle. So what's the point? Here point minus z comma minus f only satisfy this circle, satisfy equation 1, circle equation 1. Next, third point, g square plus f square minus c less than 0. Less than 0 means here radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Under root negative. Under root, this one is less than 0. Less than 0 means under root negative. Under root negative means imaginary. This one is imaginary. So in this case, no center, no radius, no point will satisfy this circle 1. No point will satisfy this circle 1. I hope you are understanding. Okay. G square plus f square minus c greater than 0. So infinite points will satisfy the circle. In this case, the circle is called real circle. G square plus f square minus c equal to 0. So equation 1, g square plus f square minus c equal to 0. Here x plus z whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to 0. So power of this one is even, power of this one is even. Even degree. Even degree means it never be negative. So negative term lakunda manaki sum of the two positive terms never be 0. two positive values add chesi 0 vastundhi, that is not possible. So each term must be 0, each term should be 0, ప్రతి term 0 అయితే మనకు possible. So x plus z equal to 0, y plus f equal to 0, x will be minus z, y will be minus f. Only minus z comma minus f, this point only satisfies the circle. So this is called point circle. So g square plus f square minus c less than 0, radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, under root negative, here imaginary. This cycle is called, in this case this type of cycle is called imaginary cycle. So no center, no radius, no center, no radius, no point will satisfy the circle. Next one, find the number of points which will satisfy the equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 11 equal to 0. So g square plus f square minus c greater than 0, infinite points will satisfy. G square plus f square minus c equal to 0, only one point, minus z comma minus f, this point only satisfy. G square plus f square minus c greater than 0, imaginary. So no point will satisfy, no point will satisfy. So 2z equal to 4, z equal to 2, minus z is minus 2 into minus 2. So minus z comma minus f, minus 2 comma minus 2. C is 11. So our general equation, x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2z equal to 4, z equal to 2. So minus z equal to minus 2. So the center is minus 2 comma 2, but g value is, in this case z value is 2, f value is 2, and c is 11. So we have to find g square plus f square minus c. G square 4 plus f square 4 minus c minus 11. So this one is less than 0. 8 minus 11 minus 3, negative, less than 0. So no point will satisfy. Find the number of points which will satisfy the equation. In this question, result is no point will satisfy the circle. Next, here g equal to 2z equal to 4, z equal to 2z equal to 8, g equal to 4. Next, f equal to 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2. Next, c equal to 20. Now g square plus f square minus c. G square is 16, f square is 4 minus c 20, 0. G square plus f square minus c equal to 0. So only one point will satisfy. One point will satisfy the circle. Next one, condition for a 2-degree equation condition for a 2-degree equation to represent circle. Condition for a 2-degree equation to represent circle. Now general equation ax square plus by square 2-degree equation ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This one is the 2-degree equation. Necessary and sufficient condition. Necessary and sufficient conditions. First condition 1. What is condition 1? Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. It means a equal to b. That is a equal to b. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Second one. Coefficient of xy is 0. Coefficient of xy, it means 2h equal to 0. So h equal to 0. So h equal to 0. This one necessary and sufficient condition for a 2-degree equation to represent the circle. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square equal to b. Next, coefficient of xy equal to 0, 2h equal to 0. It means that h equal to 0. Find lambda and mu if the equation lambda minus 4 into x square 2 lambda minus 6 into y square plus mu minus 6 into xy minus 4x minus 6y minus 6 equal to 0 represents a circle. Condition for a 2-degree equation to represent a circle. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. First condition. Condition 2. Coefficient of xy is 0, which equal to 0. Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square equal to same, equal. So lambda minus 4 coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square 2 lambda minus 6. So lambda equal to minus 4 plus 6, lambda equal to 2. Now coefficient of xy is 0, coefficient of xy is mu minus 6 equal to 0. So mu equal to 6. So lambda equal to 2, mu equal to 6. So question is to find lambda and mu. So what is the equation? A lambda equal to 2. So lambda value mu value substitute చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది సైకిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సైకిల్ వస్తుంది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సైకిల్ వస్తే సెంటర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు రేడియస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు సెంటర్ ఈజ్ మైనస్ g మైనస్ f సో రేడియస్ ఈజ్ square root of g square plus f square minus c